How to fix Windows 11 update error. Your device is missing. Important security update. Step 1. Check for updates. Go to Settings, then Windows Update. Click Check for Updates and install any available updates. Step 2. Run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Go to Settings, then System, and lastly Troubleshoot. Select Other Troubleshooters. Find Windows Update and click Run. Step 3. Restart Update Services. Press Windows plus R, type services.msc, and press Enter. Locate Windows Update, then double-click it. In the window that opens, set the startup type to Automatic. Click Start. If the service isn't running, click Apply, then OK. Step 4. Free up disk space. Go to Settings, then Storage. Then Cleanup Recommendations. Delete temporary files and unnecessary data to create space for updates. These steps should help resolve the issue and get your Windows 11 updates working again. If this guide helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful tech tips.